Hey guys, welcome to another Dev Kit Weekly, where this week we'll be reviewing and raffling off 9 Infineon XENSIV Getting Started Box IoT development kits for free thanks to our sponsor DigiKey. First thing you should notice when you open up this box is that the kit is packed with 13 different pieces. But the star of the show is the XMC1100 Boot Kit for Arduino. Obviously, by the name, you can tell the XMC1100 is compatible with Arduino Shields. But it features so much more than that. Firstly, the XMC1100 comes in Arduino Uno form factor and features an industrial microcontroller from Infineon's XMC product line, which is based on a 32-bit ARM Cortex-M0 core that clocks in at 32 MHz. Although cost sensitive, this chip packs tons of value for IoT developers, integrating 64 kilobytes of flash, 16 kilobytes of RAM, a 6-channel 12-bit ADC, a pseudo-random number generator for security purposes, 4 16-bit timers, and even additional 64 MHz of peripherals clock. 4 different boot modes are available for the XMC1100, including a UART bootstrap-loader mode, user mode half after reset, user mode productive, and user mode debug, the last of which is the default mode on the device on the boot kit. The modes can be configured with either Dave microcontroller development environment or MemTool on-chip flash programmer. As far as I/O goes, the XMC1100 CPU card has both 10 and 8-pin connector mounting holes for expansion, which are available on included socket boards. These are super important on this kit, and you'll find out why in just a minute. The board also supports a universal serial interface channel that carries UART, SPI, I2C, I2S, and LIN signals, a virtual COM port, 16 digital IOs, and of course a micro USB connector for data and power. You'll also notice that the board has a detachable Seger J-Link debugger, which is a bit of a page out of the Cypress Semiconductor Handbook. And you can see the Cypress PSOC Dev Kit Weekly from a few weeks back, who Infineon closed an acquisition on in April. In addition to the XMC1100, the XENSIV Getting Started Box IoT development kit includes a My IoT adapter board, which serves as the rug that ties the room together. The My IoT adapter offers a pinout that serves as a gateway to other hardware solutions. Hardware solutions like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and Wemos boards like this one included in the kit that includes an Espressif system ESP32 with Bluetooth Low Energy and Wi-Fi functionality, as well as Infineon's Shield2Go ecosystem. Shield2Go boards are, as the name suggests, shields that allow users of the Infineon Getting Started box to add and remove capabilities on the fly. There are too many of them included in this kit to go into detail on each of them, but here's the list. The TLC493D A1B6 3D magnetic hall sensor, a rotate knob that can be added onto the hall sensor, a joystick that can also be used in conjunction with the hall sensor, an Optega trusty hardware security chip, a DPS 310 barometric pressure sensor, a TLI 4970 DOS 0T4 current sensor with an integrated current rail, and an IM6 9D130 digital MEMS microphone. Each Shield2Go shield is based on Infineon technology and are accompanied by Arduino libraries that make them ready to go out of the box. All these boards share a common pinout, making it easy to swap them in or out of the design. All in all, if you're late to the IoT party and looking to make up for lost time, the Infineon Getting Started box for IoT is, well, a great place to get started. It has everything you could need, from a variety of sensors to sufficient wireless connectivity to easy expansion and programming. It even has a USB cable. If you want one of the XENSIV sensor Getting Started box IoT development kits for yourself, you can buy one of them directly from DigiKey for $143.75. Or, thanks to DigiKey, you can enter this week's raffle and try to win one of the 9 that we're giving away for free. Other than that, please like, subscribe, comment, or find out more about embedded and IoT development from our website. embeddedcomputing.com. Good luck in this week's raffle, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week on DevKit Weekly.